What's up, everybody? Ben Kensington here, licensed Arizona Realtor with eXp Realty and Kensington Properties. We are in Tucson, Arizona, and join me as we take a tour of a two-story that is active and on the market now. You gotta stay tuned. You guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, this listing is provided by Realty Executives in Arizona. Okay, so the property we're going to see is a southwestern style two-story home. It was built in 2009, and this property is currently for sale, active contingent, for $375,000. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. 2,179 square feet. It's had some remodeling done to it. And if you look at the floor plan, and if you're ever in Maricopa, Arizona, you'll see a lot of homes in Maricopa that have this exact style floor plan. All right, you guys, now let's just talk about the community a little bit. If you've been following me for now, you know about Rancho Sahuarita. You can see a few videos before this one where I've did another home tour about an active home. Okay, so beautiful homes in this community, right? They have tons of amenities. This is a gigantic master plan community, guys. I have a video touring the entire community. Okay, I'll put the links in the description. Now, you have a community and fitness center here. You have several pools, lap pools, Olympic pools. You got the big gigantic pool with the water slide. You have a massive lake which has community fishing with a biking and walking trail around it. Within this master plan community, there are other communities. This specific community is the Presidios, okay, at Rancho Sahuarita. Okay, so in this community, like I said, there's plenty of parks. There's plenty of walking and biking trails. They have shopping, tons of stuff to do here. It's just south of Tucson, about 15 minutes. It's a suburb of Tucson. As you see right out the window right there, you can ride your bike up and down. Beautiful community. Okay, so if you're looking to relocate to Tucson, Arizona, you're looking for a house like this under $400,000, reach out to me. Okay, I sell in Phoenix Metro and I sell in Tucson. I sell all the way down to the border of Mexico, okay, all the way down to Nogales, Rio Rico, all the way back up, okay, to Phoenix Metro. So if you're looking to relocate from Tucson to Phoenix or vice versa, Phoenix to Tucson, right? Reach out to me. If you're looking to come from out of state to either Phoenix or Tucson, reach out to me. All right, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it if you love it as well. Okay, I'm going to keep dropping tons of videos for the rest of the year and beyond. Okay, so stay with me. Now, really quick, this guy is strapped. Okay, he is strapped and he's ready to go. Now, this is Arizona, so look up your laws here in Arizona. People are open carry, concealing carrying everywhere. So if you want to try and do that nonsense that you do in your other states and you come to Arizona, best beware. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me via phone, text, or email. See you guys next time.